Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all elders respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my people and to my country, I pledge my devotion in their well-being and prosperity, long life, my happiness. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Good morning all of you. My name is Adiba Pakiza and I am from class 9B. Today I am here to present my views on Don't Quit. When things go wrong, as they sometimes will, when the road you are trudging seems all uphill, when the funds are low and debts are high, and you want to smile but have to sigh, when care is pressing you down a bit, rest if you must, but don't you quit. Life is square with its twists and turns, as every one of us sometimes learns, and many a failure turns about when he might have won if he had stuck it out. Don't give up though the pain seems low, you might succeed with another blow. Often the struggler has given up when he might capture the victor's cup, and he learned to lay when the night slipped down.
Attention! Studies! Attention!
Now, I would like to call Ishika for speech.
I am Ishika, a student of class 6 genius from Ashoka House. Today I want to present a speech on Indian Navy Day. Hello everyone, today we celebrate Indian Navy Day, a day to honor the bravery and sacrifices of our naval heroes. The Indian Navy has a rich history dating back to 1612. Over the years, our Navy has grown in strength and capability, protecting our maritime borders.
Today we have gathered here for the very special assembly because today our school is selected for national survey. परख परीक्षा के लिए हमारे स्कूल का नामांकन हुआ है and we are very happy that the observer appointed by the government, Mr. Gyanendra, is here with us. Now students, just now a girl told that today is Navy Day. So you all know there are Air Force, Army and Navy. These three forces, they protect our country. We are breathing in a safe रक्षा तो कहीं से भी शत्रु बेत लगा सकते हैं, आक्रमण कर सकते हैं और ये हमारे सीमाओं के प्रहरी बनकर हर वक्त 24/4, 24/7 ये हमेशा तैनात रहते हैं, मुस्तैद रहते हैं। हम लोग तो अपने घर में दुख दर्द हो, हमें खुशी हो, हम तो परिवार के साथ होते हैं, लेकिन जरा सोचिए इन सैनिकों की तरफ कुछ भी हो परिवार में, इनके लिए सर्वोत्तम सबसे बड़ा परिवार क्या कौन है? कौन है इनका सबसे बड़ा परिवार? इनका देश। तो हम सबको हमेशा अपने देश से, अपने राष्ट्र से प्रेम करना चाहिए। अभी अपनी सर्विसेज तो देते हैं जल थल वायु सेना के सैनिक, लेकिन हम भी अपने देश के लिए देश प्रेम अपना दिखा सकते हैं। हम गिर के ही उठते हैं, संभलते हैं। साइकिल जो चलाते हैं बच्चे हमेशा गिरते हैं और जो गिरने से डर गया वो साइकिल नहीं चला पाया। तो हमें कभी अपनी असफलताओं से घबराना नहीं चाहिए, निराश नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि असफलताएं ही हमारी सफलताओं का द्वार खोलती हैं। विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। आज आपकी परख परीक्षा है, अच्छे से दीजिए उसको। 10th क्लास आपका प्री बोर्ड है। ऑल द बेस्ट, बेस्ट ऑफ लक टू ऑल ऑफ यू। गॉड ब्लेस यू ऑल। थैंक यू।
Thank you, ma'am.
Studies, attention.